All right, this is one of my favorite beef jerkies. I get this all the time. Sometimes on Amazon, sometimes when I'm at the drugstore. I try to do the keto diet, and sometimes this gets me through a meal until I can get to my next meal. Not a whole lot of calories in here, and it's pretty low on carbs for the most part. 6 grams of carbs per serving. But I like the fact that it comes in this nice resealable bag. Let's open it up, check it out. Here's the bag. Here, I haven't sealed back up. Unseal it. Everybody knows how one of those works, but let's check out a piece of this. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Nice big piece of beef jerky. See if I can cut it with a knife. Yep. Cuts real nice with a knife. Breaks apart real easy. And I'm doing this video partly because I'm hungry right now and I want to eat this beef jerky. And this stuff tastes good. It's definitely dehydrated, obviously, but it isn't so dry that it's not annoyingly dry. It's actually holds up well. Kind of has enough moisture in there where it's not super dry. I like that. And it chews easily. And it tastes great with the teriyaki flavor. And I'm a big fan of the Jack Link stuff and Slim Jims and everything. Yeah, this stuff's good stuff. If you haven't tried it out and you're a fan of beef jerky, definitely worth giving a shot. Jack Link's beef jerky teriyaki flavor. Check it out.